Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 4 inverse trigonometric functions. Today in exercise 4.1 sum number 6, find the domain of the following. They are given two subdivisions. We will see the first one. F of x equal to sine inverse of x square plus 1 by 2x. Okay, and from the definitions we have seen in the previous videos in the introduction videos, you have seen this sine inverse is from minus 1 to 1 to minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. So this is called the domain and this angle is called as the range. Okay, so our domain is minus 1 and 1. So the values we are going to get for domain is going to be between minus 1 and plus 1. So this is going to be our domain for the sine inverse function. Okay, so whatever x we have got, you are going to write between minus 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1 by 2x less than or equal to 1. Okay, and then now we are going to do your problems. We are going to split into two parts and then we are going to solve this. Okay, so what is going to be our first part? Minus 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1. This is going to be our one part, and the other part, subdivision 2, we can see later. Okay, let it be below. And the other part is going to be x square plus 1 by 2x. Okay, x square plus 1 by 2x less than or equal to 1. So bring this minus 1 to the other side. So 0 less than or equal to x square plus 1, sorry, by 2x, I have forgotten, by 2x plus 1, because minus 1 comes as that plus 1. Similarly here, x square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 comes with the minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So taking LCM on both sides, cross multiplying, you will get it as 0 less than or equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x by 2x. Here x square plus 1 minus 2x by 2x less than or equal to 0. So this is of the form 0 less than or equal to x plus 1 the whole square by 2x, and here x minus 1 the whole square by 2x less than or equal to 0. So when you put this is equal to 0, you will get x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 0, because when you write 2x equal to 0, you will get x equal to 0. Here x minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 1. So we can plot this on the number line. Okay, this is going to be minus infinity and plus infinity, 0, 1 and here minus 1. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 regions. Now we are going to see whether it is possible in these 4 regions. So for the first region, we will take minus 2. Okay, minus 2 here value. So this is going to be our first expression. Which one? This is going to be our first expression and this is going to be our second expression. Okay, so in the first expression you are going to put x is equal to minus 2. So 0 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 1 the whole square by 2 into minus 2. Okay, so here 0 less than or equal to, this is minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 the whole square is 1, and here so 1 by minus 4, which is wrong. And in the second one, this is first equation, second equation, minus 2. What is the second equation? Minus 1 the whole square by 2 into minus 2. Okay, so you are going to get it as 3, 9 by minus 4, which is less than equal to 0. So this is true. Both the equations you should satisfy the condition, then only it is true. So this region does not satisfy the condition. Okay, we will go into our next region, minus 1 and 0. Okay, so you are going to take minus 1 and 0. Here you are going to put minus 0.5. Okay, what about minus 0.5? Again in 1 you are going to substitute 0 less than or equal to minus 0.5 plus 1 by 2 into minus 0.5. And here minus 0.5 minus 1 the whole square by 2 into minus 0.5. Here it is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so here you will get it as, again the square, isn't it? So 0.5 square, but here it is again, it is going to be less than or equal to negative. So this is also wrong. 0 is not less than negative, this is wrong. And what about this? Again you are going to get So if one is wrong, you need not check the other one. Here again you are going to get 1.5, 1.5 the whole square is going to get 15 into 15, 225 you are going to get, and here again it is negative less than or equal to, this is true. But both the regions as I told, it should be true. Now we will take so this region also does not satisfy. Next we will take 0.5 between 0 and 1. So any one, if it satisfies, if it goes wrong also, it is going to be not satisfying. Okay, so in 1 again you are going to put 0 less than or equal to 0.5 plus 1 the whole square by 2 into 0.5. This is 0 less than or equal to 1.5 into this, isn't it? Again I will bring it down. Okay, so this region is going to be 0 is less than or equal to 1.5 the whole square by 2 into 0.5, 2 into 5 is 1. Okay, 1.0 you will get, isn't it? So again 0 is less than or equal to, this is true, whereas in the second condition 0.5 minus 1 the whole square by 2 into 0.5, here you are going to get it as positive number. Okay, because when you square it is going to be 0.5 the whole square by 1. Again this is not going to be less than 0. Positive is greater than 0. So again this region also fails. So this also fails. Similarly, when you get here 1 to infinity you take 2, that region also is not going to satisfy our condition. Okay, so that one also is not going to satisfy our condition. You can put and verify. So this region also does not satisfy. So since the regions does not satisfy, now we are going to take the points here. What are the points? Minus 1, 1. Okay, minus 1, 1. And what about 0? When you get 0, here below if you put 0 it becomes 0. So 0 we cannot take because anything divided by 0 is indeterminate form. Okay, so we are going to take only x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 1. Okay, equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, 1 becomes as 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1, 2 by 2, that is equal to 0 less than or equal to 0. Okay, minus, oh sorry, when you take minus 1, here minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 0 by anything is 0. Okay, this is true. And for the second region, minus 1 the whole square by 2 into minus 1, again is going to be negative. So in the second one you are going to get minus 1 the whole square by 2 into minus 1, which is less than or equal to 0. This also is true. So for 1 it is valid. What about plus 1? It is going to be 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, that is 0 less than or equal to, you will get it as 1. So 1 is valid. What about 2? 2 is 1 minus 1 the whole square. So 0 by anything is 0. So 0 less than or equal to 0, it is also verified. So our domain is going to be, what is the domain for the first subdivision? Just the 2 points minus 1 and 1. So you are going to write it in this bracket. Okay. Now we will go into our second subdivision. Okay, what is the second subdivision tells us? Again this domain should be between minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Okay, less than or equal to 1. So again bring the minus 1 to the other side. 0 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1. Similarly this side 2x minus 1. This 1 goes to the other side. Okay, so you will take it as less than or equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, here it is going to be 0 less than or equal to 2x, this both get cancelled, and here it is 2x less than or equal to 2. So when you take away 2, it is going to be 0 less than or equal to x, and here x less than or equal to 1, both get cancelled, 1. Okay, so what is our actual relation? 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 is the domain. So what is the domain we are getting? 0, 1 is the domain for the second subdivision. Okay, this is going to be your final answer. So you have found out the domain for both the sine inverse functions. Okay, thank you.